Hanning and I'm DEN's Ramp Tower intern this year. What makes interning at DEN so exciting is that it's always a challenge and there's something new going on every single day. My job never looks the same. I spoke to airplanes and controlled the seat concourse on my third week of work, so that was super challenging and something that is exciting and never ending.
My name is Eloy Espinoza. I go to CU Denver. I would recommend a college student applying because you get to see all the different career paths that you would never even know existed unless you worked at the airport. I'm working in the contract division, but I can also see there's a whole customer service side, airport operations, a ton of opportunities that you can go and take different avenues as far as a career.
Hi, my name is Lily Jakes. I'm going to be a junior next year at Marquette University in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Throughout these 10 weeks, I'm responsible for signage inside and outside the airport. My favorite part about the job is probably that every day is something new. You're exposed to a bunch of new things, especially for me. Aviation has been a huge thing. Never had an interest in it before, but now every day I love watching the planes take off and land.
Hi, my name is Joseph Austin. I go to Western Michigan University and I'm the airside operations intern here at DEN. This internship is helping me further my career by having the direct experience being on the airfield, driving around and taking part in daily operations, runway friction testing audits, helping out with daily runway inspections with the team, and also furthering my knowledge of Part 139.
My name is Jalen Ray. I am a senior at Georgia Southern University studying civil engineering. This position has prepared me for how project planning is structured and how to interact with different departments when tackling such large projects. My favorite part of my position is being able to interact with so many disciplines of engineering and being able to witness the production come to life in whichever project we're touching.
One word that I can use to describe this internship would be inspiring.
Motivating.
And one word would be enlightening.
Exhilarating.
Enriching.